You ever look in your freezer and go, I have way too much meat. I've got to cook all this stuff. I can't let it stay in there any longer. Well, that's this episode. I found a package of chicken wings and a brisket that has to be cooked. So I thought this is one of those like bonus videos I wasn't planning on doing. But I'm like, let's do something special with the chicken wings. And I want to talk to you about chicken wings before we even get started in the recipe. We go to restaurants and we order of chicken wings, right? Now let's take Buffalo Wild Wings, for example. They have a special where it's 50 cents a wing. I'm like, 50 cents a wing? That's a lot. And so then you get your order, right? And I was raised with here, I'm going to pull one out right now. A full-size wings has 3 sections. It has the drumette. It has this double bone piece here with lots of meat. Then it's got this cartilage thing right here. That's a wing. When you're charging me 50 cents for that, or 50 cents for that, now you're charging me $1 for this, and that's on special. It's not even that. It's more than $1 a piece. I got over, what did I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I went to the store and got the family pack of whole wings, these right here. I got 14 in the family pack, and for 12 bucks. It's under $1 each. Don't pay restaurants $1 for that and $1 for, it's ridiculous. If I order wings, I want a whole wing. If you go to like Nashville hot chicken places out here, you get a whole wing. You do. But these chain restaurants have been ripping us off for a long time. I just want to talk about that because it irritates me. Now I got to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Come on in close and I'll show you what we're going to do with all this. This is going to be really simple, guys. I have chili oil, chili powder, and a bag of limes. All right, so I'm gonna rub this package of chicken wings, and this is the chicken out of the Butcher Box subscription service. It's clean, you can't get better chicken than this. And I'm gonna rub this also down with chili oil. I'm gonna sprinkle it with chili powder, and I'm gonna smoke them on the smoker, and then when they come off the smoker, I'm drizzling them with lime juice. It's gonna be awesome. You guys ready? Let's get these prepped and meet me outside by the smoker. All right, guys, you remember last video when I used the smoker on the Texas Trio? I just set it right here on the smoker box, and I put one of those little lighter starters underneath that, and it just got the whole chimney going. Somebody's like, dude, you got a fire starter right here. Just put it right on top of this. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think of that. So we're gonna try it today. Got my char griller chimney. Put it right over this starter. And it fits perfectly. Look at that. Now let's turn it on. And that will start, look at it, it's already smoking. I don't have to use fire starters anymore. Look how fast that's smoking already. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Now I gotta pull my ash drawer out. So let's pull that out right now. The whole thing comes out, see? And I can dump all my ashes right in this trash can here. Okay, that's the easiest cleanup ever, guys. And look, I'm ready to smoke again. Booyah! That thing's smoking like a beast. Look at that. That'll be ready in no time. And here it is, boys and girls. Today's event, I'm so excited. It's so simple. They've been rubbed down with chili oil and then powdered with chili powder. And then the brisket just has salt and pepper. And that's it. So let's go get my meat thermometer so I at least know what's going on. Okay, meat thermometer's in. Don't be stupid like I've been in the past. I've melted so many of these thermometers because I'll magnetize it to an area that gets hot and it just melts. So make sure it's a cool area. Make sure it's out of the rain, so it's under the barbecue. That's the best bet. It's doing good. Ooh, that's coming along nicely. Start to see the flames coming up now. See that? Squeeze the handle. Tip it out a little bit. There we go. I like to play with it even more. In there. Just be raging hot. Look at that. Like everything turns white like right away. Alright, that's way too hot for me now. Here's my wood chunks. Some of you like to soak them. I don't soak them. You think they burn fast. They don't. There's no flame. So you just set them right on top. Now watch. See, there's no flame. They're not lighting up. When you close it, you're only letting so much oxygen in. So don't worry about soaking your chips or your wood chunks. And you can see the smoke starting now. See? All right, we are at 250. It doesn't look any better than that, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, before I bring them into the house, I just want to show you how beautiful they look on the grill. Can you get in there and see that? Look at that beautiful smoked wing coating. Look at that chicken. Oh my goodness. Isn't she a beauty? Just in case you couldn't see them in the barbecue, I just want to give you a nice up close shot. Is that gorgeous? Yeah, baby. Okay, last thing I gotta do, now they're ready to eat it, just take some lime juice and squeeze. I got a whole bunch of limes and just squeeze it right on there. Get that lime flavoring on there. There we go. All right, let's do this one here. Break that open. Oh. All right, so let's give it a taste. Oh, wow. The skin is so smoky. Oh, and it's spicy, but it's a good spicy. Oh, yeah. There it is. Chili lime wings. You saw how we did it. Chili powder, chili oil, lime juice as soon as we brought it into the kitchen. Unbelievable. This is a home run. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.